Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Civic gear knob. First, gather your essential tools, such as a flathead screwdriver and the new gear knob you plan to install. Always ensure your vehicle is safely in park and the engine is completely off before you begin any work. It's also helpful to know if your current knob is threaded or secured with a retainer clip. Removing the old gear knob is straightforward once you know its type. If it's a threaded knob, simply twist it counterclockwise until it loosens and comes off. For non-threaded knobs, you'll typically need to carefully pry off a cap or the shift boot retainer. Always use a flathead screwdriver with caution to prevent any scratches or damage to your car's interior trim. Now, let's get that new gear knob installed. If you have a threaded knob, align it carefully and twist it clockwise until it's snug and secure. For non-threaded designs, simply push the new knob down firmly onto the shifter shaft until you hear or feel it click into its locked position. Don't forget to properly seat the shift boot around the base for a clean finish. After installation, it's crucial to perform a few final checks. With your car still safely in park, gently shift through all the gears to ensure everything feels smooth and correct. Confirm that the new knob is completely secure and doesn't wobble or feel loose. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description below for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.